everybody, my name is Musa. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new BOSE QuietComfort 35 wireless noise cancellation. Brand new color, that silver is shiny. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Here in the box we have the brand new color. The silver color shows outstanding here. Wireless, and it's a nice noise cancellation, nice color. Also, what we have here is all the information and what comes in the box. Let's open up and unbox it. There we go. We have QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones. We have some instructions here about how to use it. There we go. What we have here in the box, we have manuals, we have registered manuals, safety information, and all that. Let's go to the headphones. There we have this nice case that comes with BOSE with a QuietComfort 25. It's almost the same case, but missing that rope that you can lash here. There we go, the new color. Look at this color. Look at this color. How nice it is. It's silver color. It's just like a Mercedes between the headphones. You shine up the new BOSE color. Shine up the new. You see that BOSE? You see that brand name? It's really shiny. So here's the headphones. They are wireless. They are almost the same design as the QuietComfort 25, but what we have here, it uses the NFC. Also, what we have here is the control buttons. We have the battery LED. We have the Bluetooth LED. Also, we have a headphone jack right here. When it comes in the case, comes a USB cable charger. Also comes with a wire headphone jack that you can use it. Let's say if you are using it for in the library with computers, you know, that will be handy. Well, the manual says that headphone 20 hours wireless and 40 hours wired. So we have integrated noise cancellation system in this headphones. It's a little bit better than they upgraded the noise cancellation on it from the 25. They have microphones now inside, outside, and I tried it. It performs well, and here we go. That's the new BOSE wireless noise cancellation QuietComfort 35. There we go. It's lightweight, nice, you know, fits nice on the ear, swings, can't put it back. So what comes with in the case is the airplane jack. What we know is these I've used my QuietComfort 25 that I have in the airplane, and it cancel out all the white noise that comes from the airplane. So The 35 is really good. It also cancel out all the noise from any white noise. And I've tried it. Works good. It's really nice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and enjoy my other videos. Thank you.